Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today on my video open house, we're going to look at one of Bloomington's best downtown urban living environments, Lockerbie Court. Let's go inside. Unit 203 in Lockerbie Court has 2 deeded parking spaces, as well as the fact that it's secure parking. Great thing for downtown living. Off of the garage, Unit 203 has an approximately 10 by 10 storage unit that's great for bikes, off-season storage, or maybe just prevent you from having to get a storage unit somewhere. This gorgeous Lockerbie condo has hardwood floors, probably one of the most popular floor plans that was offered in Unit 203. It has large open entertaining space, there's an enormous kitchen, beautiful finishes throughout. It's 2 bedrooms, plus it has a study with a full walk-in closet. The stylish backsplash, as well as the neutral decor of the kitchen, is fantastic. You have double ovens, you have a gas 5-burner range, you have great pantry storage. There's also a walk-in pantry storage. Plus, this is perfect for entertaining because there's an eating bar between you and your guests. The French doors add to the Jack and Jill bedroom plus study that shares the hall bath. This allows for maybe guest space with the diffused frosted glass on the French doors. Great natural light, as well as beautiful features like fireplace, and you have a split bedroom plan, the master and the secondary on separate sides of the condominium. This urban living home has 2.5 baths. There's a powder room. There's a walk-in laundry room that has extra storage as well, plus a walk-in pantry coat closet. Beautiful shutters, as well as great diffused natural light, make this primary master bedroom an absolute knockout. Plus, the spa bath has a soaking tub with jets, as well as a freestanding shower. Generous walk-in storage makes organizing and seasonal clothing a breeze. Lockerbie Unit 203 allows you the access to downtown dining, dozens of ethnic restaurants and great local eateries. Plus, you can see the rooftop of the buildings on the university. You can't be closer to everything that's going on in Bloomington than Lockerbie, right on Walnut Street in downtown Bloomington. I hope you enjoyed my video open house here at Lockerbie. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com. If you'd like additional information, contact me at 812-360-5333.